Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something really fun. So I polled you guys on Instagram and you guys said that you guys wanted to see me do a budget beauty challenge. So today we're doing a budget beauty challenge. It was definitely challenging. I picked the number that was most requested, which was $10. Are you kidding me? So I went to Target and I tried to pick out something that was like $10, and I already said this in my Instagram stories, but I said I'm not gonna include like my foundation and any like base coverage. I'm hoping to do everything with $10. That's like my eyes, contour, lips, and eyeliner. I mean, oh my god, wish me luck. Makeup. So like when I started looking for products that were like under $10, I wanted to buy two things, and I went to Target and I was like, no, I'm gonna go big. So I bought this baby. This is the CoverGirl True Naked Sunset eyeshadow palette, and it has all the colors under the sun, like all the colors you need. It has the dark brown so I can like contour with that. It has the highlighters, which I can use, and it has like the pinks and the reds, and I feel like I can use some like deepening smoky-esque look. First things first, I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Alright, now that I have our base on, and I put like literally the bare basics. I didn't even use the camouflage tint thing from Lancome, but if you haven't used this, you totally should, because it's the best. Now it is time for CoverGirl. So this is Liz, just so that I can have like a little bit of brightness to work with. Let's see, just a little bit of brightness. I'm having doubts and I just started. I realized the brushes are not in the budget, so I'm gonna try to use some of my cheaper brushes, and I'm also going to try to use minimum amount of brushes so that this is a true challenge. Hopefully, we'll see. And I do have a rag, and I'm like, you know, just cleansing it as we go as much as I can, but I'm going to use this mermaid brush, and I'm gonna start working in like the pink. This one's a little bit more pinkish, so I'm gonna try to work in the pink a little bit because it is a Valentine's look. So let's see how pigmented this is. Let's just do it, you know. This blush color. Alright, and then I'm gonna use my Morphe blending brush. And this is the Morphe M330, and try to blend it out. I mean, it feels like it's like not really doing that much, so I'm just gonna pick up more as I go. I'm just working in the pink, just continually putting the pink on. It actually is, the pigment is coming out like pretty okay. I'm excited for this. It's looking alright. Like, it's pretty dark, I think, like for what I wanted it to look like. I'm gonna use kind of the darker one, and I'm gonna work it into like the outer corner of the eye just to see. And I'm gonna use this little brushy thing that came with it just to apply the dark part, and I'm just like picking it up. Let's see if this little thing, you can put it in. It's actually not that dark, so putting it in, and I'm just gonna work it with this again. It's like this shimmer color, but it's almost like darker than the pink, but I feel like it's like complementary. So I'm gonna pick up the darker pink or burgundy or whatever color that is, but the darker one I'm just gonna put in the outer corner. Ooh, yes, it is making it darker. Okay, because I just really wanted to smoke it out, but I think that's the darker one out of all of them. Use this one right here, and I'm gonna use my, I don't know what brush. I'm just gonna use my Jessica Simpson brush. It's just like a flat brush, and I am going to dip it into the gold. and just kind of do the front of the eye, like a little bit more gold. I'm just drawing kind of where my eye like sinks in. I'm just drawing a little bit further up than that. Blend it in. Budget. I'm going to use like the darker colors, and I'm gonna draw it with this thing right here. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of H2 motherfucking O. I'm gonna wet it, and then I'm gonna like try to dunk it in this darker like burgundy color, and I'm gonna draw the eyeliner that way.
Just draw as if I'm drawing an eyeliner.
And I did draw it out pretty far, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. It is what it is, baby. Like for the eye look, this is great. I'm gonna use my mascara, and I'm just gonna push my lashes up with mascara, and then I'm going to use some lashes that I got as well. And I calculated and it was like $3 a lash because it was like $11 for the pack. So that was the most bargain eyelashes I could find. So I'm just going with that. Don't forget to wiggle yo lashes, wiggle yo lashes, wiggle yo lashes, wiggle, wiggle yo lashes. Okay, while my lashes dry, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm using my MAC. Is this MAC? Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna use this brush. This is like an eyebrow pencil brush, and I'm just gonna wet it. And I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna take the two dark colors and just kind of make a paste with it on the back of my hand. And then I'm going to draw my eyebrows because that is the best way I have. I'm literally doing this with like limited colors, so. The finished eye look for this side, so I'm gonna go off camera, do the other side, and come back and contour with this palette. Alright, now I'm back. I did my other eye and I feel pretty good about it. The eyelashes are drying right now, and I've never really worn eyelashes like without eyeliner, so this is a bit weird for me. So far, I feel like this is a pretty successful look. Contour a little bit and see if I can bring out these cheeks and slim down my little turkey thing. But I'm gonna use this, and I am going to just use this like little bit darker brown one. I don't want it to turn like orange, but I'm just gonna use this right here. And I'm gonna see if I can just kind of like draw a line and just kind of like work with it, you know. Oh my god, that's so crazy. Okay, and then I'm just gonna buff it out with this Jessica Simpson brush. Just buff it out. Oh my god, it's working. Oh my god, it's working. Okay, I mean, it's not like the perfect contour, but I mean, it works. Like, you see that? Ooh, okay. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little more patchy than like, you know, it would normally. So I'm just gonna use the residue to kind of go around and just blend it out. Kind of dust it off a little bit on my towel, and then I'm just gonna use this as like kind of like my nose contour, and just kind of use the residue for my nose a little bit. I just need this part to really look like it's alive, so. And I'm just gonna use the residue to kind of get rid of this gobbleness. I'm just gonna use like the pink, just like a tiny bit of pink. I'm just gonna have it, like I'm just gonna put it on my hand, and I'm gonna buff it out before I put it on, but I'm just gonna put it on my cheeks just a little bit, and I'm just gonna use my hand. Buff it out with another Jessica Simpson brush. A little bit of rosy cheeks. Alright, and then for the last part, I'm gonna use the gold highlighter, not the one that's like, you know, a little more white, because I feel like the gold is very complementary to the yellow undertone. So I'm just gonna use that, and ooh, oh my god, You see that? Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, this is working. It's a really good highlighter actually. I might actually just use that as my highlighter from now on. For the lips, I don't know. I just thought maybe I'll put a little bit of water. Everything with me is water. Water and the little bit of like the pink, you know? And I'm gonna use like a little bit of the pink and then a little bit of the really nudie one. And I'm just gonna make that into like a little paste, and hopefully that gives a little bit of color. The pink, when you put on water, it's like turns into a more intense color. I'm not hating it. Right, so this is my lips. I just put like the pink on, and I put a little bit of the dark one, but I just went with the pink, and I feel like it's giving me like this really dark, like nudie color, but I feel like it needs a little pop. So I am going to put another gloss on top of that, and just to like highlight the color a little bit. My finished look with my $9 palette from CoverGirl and my $3 lashes. I don't have any eyeliner on. There is a little bit of truth to that. Like, I did make this like lip color with the palette that I have. So if you have this, like even like a 5-color palette or something, this is possible to get full glam. And I just feel like there is a low budget way to go out and have a good time this Valentine's Day. I'm sure it's gonna be fantastic, whatever you do, because you're beautiful the way you are. But if you want a little glam, this is the lick. I made it. Do it, and you should totally send me your looks and let me know how it turned out. I hope you like this video. I hope you like that I did this look and you like this look. Let me know what you think in the comments below if you think I failed horribly, which I'm not gonna be mad if you think that. So I had a blast with you guys today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to follow me on my socials. I will see you next time. Love you guys. Bye. Why is this working? God, so hot. Forget to wiggle your lashes, wiggle your lashes, wiggle your lashes, wiggle, wiggle your lashes. Let's do the outside.